Hi everyone, I am JP Singh, a Microsoft Certified Trainer. In this video, we are going to learn about a basic conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is basically based on some condition we are formatting the text or the data, font color, something like that. In this example, I am just touching three important points, that is the data bars, color scale and icon set. Guys, sometimes we required to present the data itself rather than presenting a charts or graphs. For example, look at this sample data. In this sample data, we have a name of the person and their achievement in numbers. So that number may be a target achieved or something like that. These all three numbers are same because we are going to apply three different type of formatting on that. So when you are presenting this data, you are not able to understand who is doing good and who is not doing like that. So what we can do, we can select that. Just like in formatting data, we required a selection. In conditional formatting, we also required a selection. Then go to the home tab. We have a conditional formatting option there. And we are going to learn these three parts: data bars, color scale, icon set one by one. So I'm coming onto the data bar. We have a two type of data filling, which is a gradient and solid fill. You can apply any of these with different colors. So I choose one of that. So now you can see here easily, the bar is coming according to the data present in the data set. But it is taking the highest available data as an achieved, which is possibly is not there. For example, this 100 is taking as an 100 value which is achieved. Maybe my target is not 100, maybe it is a 200. So what we can do, we can select this and alter according to our requirement. I'll go to the form conditional formatting again in home, and there is an option called manage rule. So I click on to the manage rule. This rule is applied onto this data. I say I want to edit that. Here the minimum and the maximum value is automatically, which is taking from the data set. So I'm not touching the minimum value, but I am taking the value as an number. We can even link with some other cell also in the sheet. I am writing here 200 is my maximum value. So I am clicking on OK, clicking on OK. Now you can see this 100 is basically as an 50% achieved because your target is 200. Depending upon the other thing will automatically get changed. So 100 means 50% and accordingly you can see. We can apply the color scale also. And when I am choosing this conditional formatting color scale, we have a different type of color scale. We have a two color scale, three colors used in that. So we have a red to green, means red is bad and green is a good one. So in the case of sales or something, you achieve a profit, the lower value is actually the not good, which is coming as in red. And when I'm coming on to the green to red, which is the second option there, you can see here. So this is basically the number of defaulters. So higher is good, higher is bad in that case, higher is not good in that case. So what we can choose according to the data. So in this case, I am choosing the green is good. So I am clicking on green, yellow and red. So I will choose that. The same condition applies to that. You can change the range according to your requirement. Now I'm coming on icon set, which is very popular and very useful. So I select the data. When I go to the conditional formatting icon set, we can see we have a different type of icon: directional, shape, indicators and rating. But in all the segments, we have 3 icon, 4 icon and 5 icon. What is by default setting? If you choose 3 icon, so 33% will actually come to each icon. 33%, 1 to 33 is a red, 1 to 34 to 67 is becoming in yellow, and then other will be green. So we can change that percentage according to our requirement. For 4 values, it is a 25% each. For 5 value, it is a 20% each, which is by default. So I am taking these shape values here. These are the 3 traffic lights. We can see that this is coming with the help of conditional formatting. Now I click on to the conditional formatting and I'll see the manage rule. I want to see the rule. So look at here, the less than 33%, because by default the type is percent, is red. 33 to 67 is basically yellow, and 67 and above is green. What we can do, guys, we can make it in the percentage or a number. I am taking a number. So my requirement is that less than 50 is basically red, 50 above will be the green, and if you are taking 100 above or equal to 100 will be red. So this is my criteria with the number I am putting here. We can change that. I click on OK. Click on OK. Now you can see the data color is changed. Now you can see the 100 is coming as an only green value because we have only 100 value as a ones. 49 is coming as in red because less than 50 will become a red. If you make it 50, then you can see the color is coming as in yellow. This is 98. Even if it is 99, it is again yellow. But when you make a value as in 100, it's a dynamic. Then it will become green, or more than 100, like if you put it here 120, so it will become green. 100 and above will be the green. So this is a small introduction about the conditional formatting of the three interesting topic: data bars, color scale, and icon set. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.